Welcome. My name is Dave. I run a channel called EV Dave. I've been a Tesla owner since 2017 and have a number of vehicles. I've driven some 60,000 miles in my electric vehicles. I've owned all vehicles, from Fords to Rivians and Tesla models. I'm currently in the Cybertruck, actually heading to meet one of my friends. But I wanted to stop and say a couple things. Tesla has a referral program, and that referral program allows you to save money. And I get a little out of that, and I use that for supercharging to go on lots of road trips to kind of show all my followers exactly how to drive an electric vehicle. I'm an engineer. I am an embedded hardware designer and software designer for real-time systems, and I've done that for 30 years, way back when there were EEPROMs in the microprocessors. I've been very successful in that endeavor, and I am very in tune with the software and the hardware in electric vehicles. So why am I telling you all this? Tesla has a referral program, which means by using a referral link, you can order Tesla products. That includes vehicles, solar, and a number of things, and you get a discount and I get credit in the store that I in turn buy supercharger miles that allow me to travel and show my followers how to drive an electric car. With all the negative press anymore in the main media, it's very difficult for someone that's not in tune with electric vehicles to actually understand what you should and shouldn't do. I'm going to offer people that use my referral link a perk. If you use my referral link, I will allow you to get in contact with me, and I'll be happy to answer any additional questions about owning your Tesla. And I'm more than happy to do that. With this new referral program of Tesla, there are only 10 referrals per person. So the first 10 will be able to contact me, and I'd be happy to answer questions and whatever you have. With the new technology, you're going to need that. All my videos are in technical nature. I am not a normal car reviewer. A normal car reviewer gets vehicles from a manufacturer, and it goes unsaid that they must say good things. You'll never hear a bad thing from a car reviewer because they will not receive any more vehicles if that's the case. I own all my cars, so I'll tell you how it is. If you watch my videos, you will see in those videos what they do and what they don't do. Thanks for watching. If you're already a Tesla owner, you like pass my video on to your friend, they get the perk of contacting me, and I would certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in my upcoming videos, and take care.